Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are back again in English phonology class with the new title or the new topic. It is about place of articulation and manner of articulation. So I think this is the new one for you. The terms of place of articulation and manner of articulation. So let's check it out for the next slide. Now this is the table of chart of English consonant phonemes. So this is a place of articulation, and this is a manner of articulation, and this is the place of articulation. Okay, so in horizontal, that is a place of articulation, and verticals is manner of articulation. So the first one, we come to the place of articulation. Okay, there is a bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palato-alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. So pay attention for each of places of articulation. There are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 places of articulation. Okay. And for manner of articulation, there are plosive, fricative, affricate, nasal, lateral, approximant. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of manner of articulation. I repeat again, place of articulation, there are 8 places, and manner of articulation, there are 6 manners. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, this is the phonetics of bilabial, plosive. Okay, so I just want to show you the manner or articulation and places of articulation tables. So this is we call of a chart of English consonant phoneme. So we leave this slide. Next we back again. So I want to show you this one. So do you see here there is a bilabial? Bilabial, it means here there are upper lip and lower lip. There are upper lip and lower lip. So that is we call bilabial. And then there are here labiodental and dental, alveolar, palato-alveolar, palatal, velar, glottal. Okay, there is interdentals, and yeah, so but we just focus on bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palato-alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. So I want to show you again for the others picture, but the same, yeah, the same function. So there are bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palato-alveolar, palatal, velar, glottal. So there is velar, uvular, but we come to glottal. Yeah, bilabial. Bilabial here made with the 2 lips, pi, by, my. So when we say bilabial, it means there are 2 lips. It's made the 2 lips. If we say p, b, so the function of the 2 lips is made. Okay, so we can call bilabial. And labiodental, lower lip and upper front teeth. If we say okay, and dental, tongue, tip or blade and upper front teeth. Dental, thigh, thing. If in Arabic we can say tha. Yeah, thing, thigh, thing. Alveolar, tongue tip or blade, and the alveolar ridge, the tongue touching behind the upper front teeth. So the letter is like tie, die, night, lie. So that is a phonetic. So that is the letter of alveolar. And palato-alveolar, tongue blade and the back of the alveolar ridge, the tip of tongue down behind the lower front teeth. For example, we can say in words shy, shh, she, show. Yeah, in Arabic shin. Yeah, shy, she, show. That's palato-alveolar. And palatal, front of tongue and hard palate, you, yeah. Velar, back of the tongue and soft palate, when we say hack, hang, so touches the velum. And glottal, related to the glottis, ha. Okay, hack, hang, that's a hat. So yeah, we back again for I'm sorry. Manner of articulation. Okay, we see here there are 6 manners. There is a plosive, fricative, affricate, nasal, lateral, approximant. So we can see plosive, fricative, affricate, nasal, lateral, approximant. I hope you all can memorize all the manners, all the places. Okay. What is plosive? Plosive is, if I can say, what is it? Letupan. So we can say p, yeah, meletupkan p, b, d, k, d, k. When the air, ada udara yang ada di in our mouth, when we pronounce p, pada saat itu ada sesuatu yang tertutup lalu dibuka gitu. Dia meletup. P, b, t, k, ya kan? And fricative we can say the so we can say fricative is friction. It means desisan, ya? Dia semacam ada desisan. And affricate we can say so we can say affricate is a combination plosive and fricative. And we can say in bahasa kombinasi antara letupan dan desisan. So we can pronounce the phonetic like ch. Pada saat ada yang meletup, ada yang berdesis. Jadi the combination of plosive and fricative. Nasal it means suara dengung. It means nose, from our nose, berdengung. Ya, ya berdengung. Itu adalah suara hidung. Nasal, berdengung. And lateral L, only one phonetic, L. And approximant, wah, ar, j. Okay, if I can see in definition, plosive are sound in which there is a complete closure in the mouth. so that the air is blocked for a fraction of a second and then released with a small burst of sound. It sounds like a very small explosion. Yeah. So a complete closure, ada semacam penutupan di mulut, kemudian the air is blocked, udara terblok, and then kemudian fraction, kemudian dia meletup gitu, a small burst of sound. Jadi we can say the simple words of plosive is letupan. Okay, for the easy reminding. Okay, and fricatives have a closure which is not quite complete. This means that the air is not blocked and therefore there is no pollution. On the other hand, the obstruction is big enough for the air to make noise. It means there is a friction. Okay, ada desisan. So for example, ya, itu berdesis. Affricates, a combination of plosive and fricative. I say just now. Okay, okay. And nasal resemble plosive except that there is a complete closure in the mouth, but as the volume is lower, air can escape through a nasal cavity, melalui saluran hidung. So, so the simple words that we can say nasal, it's suara hidung atau suara sengal. Yes. Laterals are sounds where the air escapes around the sides of the tongue. Ada udara yang keluar di sela-sela lidah kita, so we can say so there's only one phonetic. Approximants are sound where the tongue only approaches the roof of the mouth, so that there is not enough obstruction to create any friction. Yes, approximate warch. Okay. Okay, I think we back again for the table 1. Okay, this is the table place of articulation. I say just now bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. There is words. If I can say p and b is the phonetics from bilabial plosive or plosive bilabial. And then labiodental is a fricative labiodental or labiodental fricative. So we can say affricate is palato-alveolar, nasal nasal bilabial, lateral alveolar, and approximant bilabial, fricative, yeah. So plosive, ya, ini juga. So I think it's easy for you for identify which one the phonetics, if we can practice in our mouth, which one the tongue and which one the manner and which one the places. So if we say p and b, one phonetic p, it means bilabial because the function of the places is our lips, di bibir kita, so it means bilabial. And then dia meletup, so we can say plosive. Okay, plosive and bilabial. So if we say in a phonetic and so it's alveolar, the placesnya adalah alveolar, and nasal mannernya. So nasal alveolar. And so if I say if I test you, if in one day, if I test you, please, what is the places and the manner, the phonetic sh, misalnya ya, sh. So you can say, oh, the places is palato-alveolar and the manner is affricate. So one day I will ask you like that. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. And the last slide, there is exercise. There is exercise. Please do the assignment, like for example, voice and voiceless. We have learned about voice and voiceless, right? And in English, the following consonant are voice is like there are 15 phonetic, and the following ones are voiceless is are voiceless. It's 9 phonetics. So please make the example phonetics like b, b, yeah. So b is the manner is a plosive, and places is bilabial, and dia termasuk b itu termasuk voice atau voiceless. We see here b. Okay, so this is a voice. So b, phonetic b, plosive bilabial voice, and the is plosive alveolar voice, and of fricative labiodental voiceless, because F ini masuk di bagian F. So all of the phonetic here, and then here you make like this. You make like this. Okay. In the 3 of these as just example. So in the others, please make like this. Okay, I think that's all. And if you have a questions, just directly go to WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.